Hi children, good morning. What we learned in the last class in this chapter, we already learned what is an arithmetic progression and its common difference, nth term of an AP. Today, we are going to discuss the last concept of this chapter, that is sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n terms of an AP. Okay, for this you have to consider one example of an AP 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This one is AP 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. We have to find the sum of these all terms. So we are adding this, that is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10. Answer is 30. Here the number of terms are very less, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if the number of terms are more, we cannot add like this. For this, we have to use one formula. That formula is given by sum of n terms of an AP is given by S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S is equal to, S means sum. Sum is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Here n is equal to number of terms. Number of terms, and a is the first term. D is the common difference that already we learned. Our equation S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And one more formula we can apply, that is S is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Here n is the number of terms and a is the first term, an is the last term. Sometimes the last term an representing with the letter L also. So we can change this as n by 2 into a plus L also. The same meaning. An and L means the last term. Okay, this formula we are applying to find the sum of first n terms of an AP. Clear? Okay. Now, one more formula is there, that only for sum of first positive integers. That formula is equal to, S is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula only for sum of first positive integers. S is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, this formula is very important. You have to learn it by heart. Now we can solve some questions using this formula. First question, one question. Find the sum of first 10 terms of an AP 5, 10, 15, etc. Okay, the given one AP is 5, 10, 15, etc. We have to find the sum of first 10 terms. Here no need to write 10 terms. You have to apply the formula. So for this answer we are writing here a is equal to, what is the first term? 5. What is common difference? 10 minus 5, that is equal to 5. Okay? 10 minus, second term minus first term, that is common difference. What is n here? How many terms? 10 terms. But you have to find out sum of 10 terms, that is S 10. Okay? We have to find out S 10. For this we are applying the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we are applying the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula is very important one. Okay, now apply the value. Yes, 10. N means 10. So 10 by 2 into 2a. What is the value of a? What is the value of a? That is 5 plus n minus 1. N is 10. So 10 minus 1 into d. D is, we got it as 5. Okay, close the bracket. Now, what is 10 by 2? That is 5 itself. Now solve here. 2 into 5 is 10 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9 into 5. Okay, that is equal to 5 into 10 plus 9 5s are 45. This 5 into 55. Okay, multiply now 55 with 5. 5 5s are 25, balance 2. 25 plus 2, 27, 275. Last you have to write the sum of first 10 terms of this AP is 275. That is S10 is equal to 275. Okay, we are applying one formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or Sn we can write, no problem. Okay, is it clear for you? We can solve another question. Okay. Okay, we can do the next question. Question number 2. Find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP. 8, 3, minus 2, etc. The same order. Here, A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 3 minus 8. We will get a minus 5. What is N? How many terms we have to find? 22 terms. So, yes, 22 we have to find out. We are applying the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now applying the values. 22 is equal to 22 by 2 into 2a. What is a? 8. N 22. So 22 minus 1 into d. D is minus 5. Okay. What is 22 by 2? That is 11. 2 into 8, 16 plus 22 minus 1, that is 21 into minus 5. Here mole mass we are applying, that is equal to 16 plus, first we are multiplication doing 21 into 5, 1 5s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So minus 105. Now minus 105 and 16 we have to add. One is a negative number and another one is a positive number. What we will do? We have to find the difference. 9 minus 1, 8. So we will get a yes, 22 is equal to 11 into minus 89. Here bigger number is negative, so we have to put the sign of negative. So negative 89. Now multiply 11 with the 89. First multiply 1 9s are 9. 1 is 8. Again 9, 8. After that negative 89. So the answer should be a negative number. So the last answer is 979. So we have to find is by using the formula S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we are applying all the values. Last we will get the answer. Sum of first 22 terms of the given AP is 900 minus 979. Clear this formula? And how to doing this one? Here how to find first what is A and what is D. what is n and what we have to find out and apply the formula. Okay, now we can do one more question. Okay, now our third question is find the sum 34 plus 32 plus 30 etc. up to 10. So this one also one AP. How we can find the sum of the terms? But how many terms? That is not given. Then we have to find out the number of terms. For this, first we have to write what is A here, 34. What is B? 32 minus 34. You will get a minus 2. What is first and last one? That is A n is equal to 10. N is not given. Okay, first we want to find n. The last class we learned how we are finding n. That is by applying the formula a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. Now substitute the values. What is a n? 10. A 34 plus n minus 1. We don't know n minus, so we are writing n minus 1 itself. What is b? Minus 2. What is the next step? 10 minus 34. First we are changing this 34 to the left side. So 10 minus 34 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Okay. 10 minus 34 minus 24. That is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Now this minus 2 want to come to the left side. So it becomes division by minus 2. You will get n minus 1. 24 by 2. Answer is 12. So 12 is equal to n minus 1. Both are negative numbers, so the answer is positive. 12 is equal to n minus 1 or n minus 1 is equal to 12 we can write. Then n is equal to 12 plus 1. We will get a 13. Number of term is 30. But our question is find the sum. Sum. The second formula S is equal to n by 2 into a plus a n. So we can apply this formula because last term is given. So we can apply this formula. S is equal to n by 2 into a plus a n. Here n is equal to 30 by 2. A, this a here 34. A n 10. Okay. Here this one n by 2 into a plus a n. Why we are using this formula? Because nth term is given, so we can apply this formula. Now 13 by 2 into adding together we will get 44. Okay. Again this balance I am writing here 13 by 2. 13 by 2 into 44. See this 2 and 44 we can cancel, we will get it 22. Okay, the last term it is coming 13 into 22. So multiply 22 with the 13. 6, 6, 2 and 2. Answer is 286. Adding all these terms we will get 286. Okay, clear this one? Find the sum. If the last term is given means we are applying this formula. But here n is not given. We have to find n by using the formula n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, clear? First we are finding n. After that we are finding the sum. Okay. Okay. Read this question. If the sum of first 40 terms of an AP is 1050 and its first term is 10, find the 20th term. Sum is given here. We have to find 20th term. A 20 we want to find out. First you have to write what is given in the question. Sum of 14 terms means S14 we can write. S14 is equal to 1050. First term is 10. So we can write that A is equal to 10. But we have to find the 20th term. It means A 20. We have to find out. Okay. So only first term and sum is given. A20 means A plus 19 D. D we need. But D is not given. From this we have to find D. So we are applying the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This formula we have to apply here. Now S14, its value is given as 1050. N is 14. First 14 terms. So 14 by 2. 2A. Value of A is 10. Plus n minus 1. 14 minus 1 into D. D is equal to, we have to find out, so we are writing D itself. Okay. So 1050 is equal to 14 by 2 is 7. 2 into 10, 20 plus 13 D. Okay. Now first you have to change this 7 to the left side. So 1050 divided by 7 is equal to 20 plus 13 D. Okay, 1050 division. 1050 divided by 7 1 time, 35 5 times. So 1 more 0 is there. So the answer is 150. So we can write as 150 is equal to 20 plus 13 T, or 150 minus 20 is equal to 13 D. What is 120 minus 150 minus 20? 130. 130 is equal to 13 D. We can find D is equal to 130 by 13. Answer is 10. Okay? D we got. But our question, we have to find A20. A20. So A20 or AN is equal to, formula you write first, A plus N minus 1 into D. So A20 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1 into D. Now apply values. What is the value of A? 10. Plus 20 minus 1, 19 into D, 10. So 10 plus 190, answer is 200. The 20th term of this AP is 200. One more time. The given here sum of 14 terms, that is S14 is given. S14 is 1050. Then is given 10. A20 we have to find out. So here D is not given. First you have to find out D by using this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Apply this formula, we will get the value of T. After that you have to find A20. A20 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1 into D, or 19D. We are applying the value, we will get the last 20. 20th term is 200. Okay? Okay students, this is our last question, question number 5. That is, find the sum of first 100 positive integers. We learned one last formula is sum of first n positive integers is equal to S is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. We learned this formula. Here it is sum of first 100 positive integers. Same model question. So here what is n? N is equal to 100. Okay. So sum of n positive integer, sorry 100 positive integer as 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. That is 100 into 101 by 2. Or 100 and 2 we can cancel. We will get 50. 50 into 101. Okay. That is 101 multiplied with 50. 505. Okay. The answer is 5050. Very simple. Means sum of first n positive integer means we can apply the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. all other APs we are applying the first two formulas. Okay, today we are discussed how to find sum of first n terms of an AP. Okay students, thank you.